Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Almay Brow Pencil Dark Blonde is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools for achieving perfectly defined and natural-looking eyebrows, offering a blendable formula that mimics real hair for a subtle yet impactful enhancement, making it an essential addition to any makeup routine for those seeking effortless polish and a frame for their features. Number 5. Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencil. Achieve perfectly defined eyebrows with ease. This pencil glides on smoothly for a natural look. The shade blonde provides a beautiful, natural-looking color for your brows. It blends seamlessly for a flawless finish. Easily build up the intensity of your brows to create your desired look. From subtle to bold, it's all in your control. Enjoy smudge-proof and long-lasting wear throughout the day. Your brows will stay in place without fading. Indulge in the total temptation of beautifully shaped brows. It's the perfect addition to your makeup routine. What we like? This pencil offers a natural finish that's buildable for your desired look. It's incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. If you're looking for a quick and effortless way to define your brows with a natural appearance, this is a great choice. What people say. The pencil is easy to use and glides on smoothly. It has a fine tip that allows for precise application, creating natural-looking strokes. The color is a good match for dark blonde hair, providing subtle definition without looking harsh. Number 4. Revlon ColorStay Eyebrow Pencil. Achieve perfectly defined brows with ease. This innovative pencil is designed for a natural look. Enjoy smudge-proof and waterproof wear that lasts. Your brows will stay flawless from morning to night. Its unique tip allows you to create precise, hair-like strokes. This ensures your brows look naturally full and beautifully shaped. Specifically formulated for blonde hair, this shade blends seamlessly. It enhances your natural color for a beautiful finish. A built-in spoolie brush is included to help you blend and groom. This makes achieving your desired brow look simple and quick. Experience the confidence of long-lasting, natural-looking brows. This pencil is your secret weapon for beautiful arches. What we like? Achieve waterproof brows that last all day with its innovative hair-like strokes. This formula ensures a natural-looking finish that mimics real brow hairs. If you need smudge-proof, long-lasting brows and prefer a realistic, feathery look, this is the one for you. What people say. The pencil is very easy to use and glides on smoothly. It has a fine tip that allows for precise application, creating natural-looking brows. The color is a perfect match for dark blonde hair, not too warm or too cool. Number 3. Maybelline Express Brow 2-in-1 Pencil and Powder. Achieve perfectly defined eyebrows with ease. This innovative product combines a pencil and powder for a flawless finish. The dual-ended design offers precision application with the pencil and soft blending with the powder. Get the best of both worlds for your brows. Save time and achieve professional-looking brows in minutes. It's your secret weapon for a polished look every day. This shade is perfect for blonde hair, providing natural-looking definition. Enhance your features subtly and beautifully. No complicated steps, just simple application for stunning results. Elevate your makeup routine with this essential brow tool. Experience the convenience of a 2-in-1 solution for your eyebrows. It simplifies your beauty routine without compromising on quality. What we like? This innovative tool combines a pencil and powder for ultimate versatility. Get quick, defined brows with its dual-ended design. If you love the convenience of 2 products in one and want to achieve fuller-looking brows with minimal effort, this is a must-have. What people say. The pencil is very easy to use and glides on smoothly. It has a fine tip that allows for precise application, creating natural-looking brows. The color is a good match for dark blonde hair, providing subtle definition without looking harsh. Number 2. LAVONE Waterproof Eyebrow Stamp and Liner Kit. Achieve flawless eyebrows in seconds with our innovative makeup kit. It's designed for ease of use, giving you a polished look every time. Don't worry about smudging or fading. This waterproof formula ensures your makeup stays put all day, no matter the conditions. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a brow stamp, pencil, pomade, eyeliner, and a dual-ended brush. It's your complete solution for stunning eyes. Enhance your natural beauty with precisely defined brows and sharp eyeliner. This set helps you create a variety of captivating looks. The deep dark brown shade is perfect for adding definition and dimension to your features. It complements a wide range of skin tones and hair colors. Discover the secret to effortless beauty. This kit is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their makeup routine while achieving professional results. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for stunning brows and eyes. It features a waterproof brow pencil and other versatile tools for a polished look. If you're seeking an all-in-one solution for your makeup bag and want reliable, waterproof brow definition, this kit is ideal. What people say. The pencil is easy to use and glides on smoothly. It has a fine tip that allows for precise application, creating natural-looking strokes. The color dark blonde is a good match for many blonde hair shades, providing a subtle enhancement without looking too harsh. Number 1. LAVONE Eyebrow Stamp Pencil Kit, Blonde. Tired of spending too much time on your eyebrows? Achieve perfectly shaped brows in seconds with this innovative kit. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for flawless brows. It features a waterproof brow stamp, pomade, and a dual-ended brush for easy application. Don't worry about smudging or fading throughout the day. Its waterproof formula ensures your brows stay put, no matter the weather. Specifically designed for blonde hair, this shade provides a natural and beautiful finish. Get the look you desire with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll love how simple it is to create salon-quality brows at home. Get ready to elevate your beauty routine. What we like. Experience the ease of a brow stamp for perfectly shaped brows every time. This kit includes a waterproof pencil and other essentials in a popular blonde shade. If you struggle with drawing symmetrical brows or want a foolproof way to achieve perfectly shaped arches quickly, this stamp kit is perfect. What people say. This pencil is so easy to use and glides on smoothly. It has a great color payoff and looks very natural. The spoolie brush on the end is perfect for blending and grooming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.